Go ahead. You're all right. You think he can stand up by himself?
Yep.
Ready, Nick? Yay, Nick! Way to go, Nick! Woo! He did it! Amber, you think he's officially skating at 22 months now? F-U-N. Fun.
Man,
Man, is she like this all the time?
I'm like, what?